In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload screenshots to Google Drive. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for storing and sharing files on the cloud, and understanding how to effectively use it can save you time and keep your data organized. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting those screenshots uploaded quickly and efficiently. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive's homepage. If you're not already signed in, this would be a good time to enter your Google account information and log in. Having your Google account logged in on your default browser can streamline the process, as Google Drive is naturally integrated with your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll notice a clean and easy-to-navigate interface. Here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen, where you will see a colorful Plus New button. Clicking on this button opens up a menu with various options. In this menu, find and click on File Upload. This feature allows you to upload files directly from your computer. After selecting File Upload, a window will pop up, prompting you to choose the file you wish to upload. Here's where locating your screenshots comes in. Typically, screenshots are automatically saved in a folder named Screenshots on your computer. Navigate to this folder to find the screenshot files you would like to upload. Once you've located your screenshots, it's time to select them. You can do this by simply clicking on the file. If you have multiple screenshots that you want to upload simultaneously, hold down the Control key, or CMD key on a Mac, and click on each file you wish to include. When everything is selected, click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system, and the upload process will begin instantaneously. As the upload progresses, you should see a notification in the bottom right corner of your Google Drive page confirming the upload. This quick feature allows you to verify that your files have been successfully added to the cloud without needing to navigate away from your current page. Take a moment to ensure that all your screenshots are listed in your Google Drive. Let's wrap it up with a tip. You can organize your screenshots further by creating designated folders within Google Drive, keeping similar projects together. This not only helps to declutter your drive, but also makes locating files fast and straightforward in the future. Simply right-click on the main Google Drive interface, select New Folder, name it, and move your screenshots into it. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your screenshots to Google Drive, making them accessible from any device with internet access. Remember, keeping your files organized and easily accessible is key to managing your digital life efficiently. Thanks for joining, and happy uploading.